have two key services to support the environmental science community. The first is Jasmine, which is a data-intensive supercomputer, and the second is the Cedar Archive, and that's got lots of environmental data from satellites or climate models all stored on it. So our services are unique because we have Jasmine, which is the processing capability, with the Cedar Archive sat alongside, and they work together. So scientists can come and use this collaborative and shared resource to process their data or use the data that's already sat there. So this is really important because as data continues to grow and gets even bigger, it means that scientists can use all this data and processing rather than using their own individual computers and laptops which don't have the processing capability. Jasmine currently supports over 160 science projects. One of these is the Batchy project, and they have used satellite data from the Cedar Archive and they've merged it with biodiversity data such as insect population and tree rings to create a new data set.